Hello there, Roasters. This is the Broman, and welcome to another episode of Bukkit plugin tutorials coding. So, in last episode, we made a simple command which will send the player a message and also check if the sender is a player. So, in this episode, we will be making a messaging plugin. So, what you have to do is to go to your under here where you have made sure that the sender is a player. So what we do is the if label dot equals ignore case message, like so, open squiggly bracket. Then we want to do a couple of things. We want to find the target player, check if the player is online, and then send a message, of course. So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, we want to check if the arguments of the so args is like, if you type slash message and then space hello, that would have one argument. So the args of length would be 1. Also equal means is equal to, so we have is equal to equals is
sound resumed.
Oh,
sound muted.
Sorry about that, I forgot about TeamSpeak. Yeah, exclamation mark, so it's not equal to. Then of course you have the crocodile one, so greater or less than equal. So yeah, here we go. So if args.length is equal to 0, like so, then it will send the player. So player.send message chat color dot dark red wrong usage, use like this, plus chat color dot gold plus slash message
sound
player
resumed.
name,
Sound muted.
sorry about that, and then message. So
Sound
message.
resumed. Sound
So
muted.
there we go. I'll just quickly go out of TeamSpeak like so. So there you go, message player and message. Then you can Control Shift F will format it so it looks like that. Control Shift O will import and unimport everything. Control Shift S will save all of your open classes here. So there you go. Now if the player only types slash message, it will say wrong usage. Then it will do this. So if there's only slash message, else if args.length is equal to 1, then we will just basically copy and paste. Actually, we can do this different. If you just remove that and change this to so is less than or equal to 1. So if they type slash message or slash message and then one word, it will say then we'll do this. Else, so if the arguments are is neither, how will I explain this? If the arguments is not equal to 1 or less, so if it's not 0 or 1, then it will do the following. We will first check. So we'll first check. First we have to get the player. So player dot get server dot get player, and then args 0. The first argument in your commands, so the first word after slash and then the command. So if you type slash message hello, then hello will be args 0 for some reason. So if you would count the arguments from up to 5, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you guys understand that. or if I explain it poorly. So now we have gotten the player. So actually, what we will do this, we will do target. Wait. Player target equals player.getZero.getPlayer. So that means that when we type target, it will be the player that we have selected. So if now we want to check if the target is online. So if target is equal to null, then we want to send the player message saying they are not online. So player.sendMessage chat color dot dark red plus the player plus chat color dot light purple plus target. Actually, we can do plus args dot dark 0 plus chat color dot dark red plus is not online. So let's put a semicolon at the end, Control Shift F. So what this does is that it will, if the player is a null, so if they can't find a player that has the name that we said, then it will send our player, so the one using the command, will send them a message saying the player and then the name is not online. So the this will show how args is used. So, but if the player is found, then it will. We have to make a message. So string message equals, and then just like that. Then we want to do for I equals 1. So what that means is that we'll make a loop, kind of getting all the words we are sending. So I equals 1, and then I is greater or equal to, let's see, I just have to think of it because I'm not that good with this type of loops. So the I equals 1, so if I is less or is greater or equal to 1, no, it is less than args dot length. So if I is less or equal to args dot length, then I want to do I plus plus, and then open it like that. Excuse me, int I, like that. So what this means is that if our variable or integer, so a number, so that means that if, well, that will be, yeah, sorry, I'm messing up this. It's hard to explain when I barely know how it works myself. We set an integer to 1, meaning that we will only use argument 1 and up. So that will say after the name. So if our integer is less or equal to how many arguments we have, then it will add 1 to the variable. So if we have 2 arguments, then it will just add 1, because 1 plus 1 is 2. And here we want to do like the message. So we want to set message equals to args I. I think that is how we will do it. Let me just quickly check to be sure, because I'm just made this today, so oh, okay, plus equal args I, or sorry, I had to check to make sure that you guys actually get what's working and not something that's wrong. String announce for 0. Oh, of course. It's not equal to the length of the args, then, or else it would just continue going up. So, and then here after each of our words, we have to take like this, so we do this space between. That's how it is. So now we can go and say target dot send message chat color dot gray plus like that plus chat color dot light purple plus me wait, let me just think of how we will do this. We will do me, arrow to me, and then the name, or from the name to me. Yeah, we will do that. So player dot get name, because we want to get the name of the player that sends it, then arrow to me, like that. Plus there, like that, and then plus chat color dot gray plus like and there plus chat color dot color dot aqua plus message, like that. And then we'll just copy this and then paste and change target to player, and then change this to change it. So me plus target dot get name plus just like so. So basically what this will do is that if when it made the message, it will send it. So that's basically how it is. Just hover over get player and then add press one to deprecation to on command, so we don't have this triangle next to the cluster. Now what we want to do is go to plugin.yml and change from, let's see, open the plugin.yml for our class and change hello to message, and then change description to send a player a message, like that. And we close that, refresh it with F5 and then export, next, save, finish. Then we want to start up the server, and then we will be in game soon. I'll just quickly want to check that. Okay. So let's wait for this to start up. I'm sorry for like my tutorials being like bit weird, because I like to be very spontaneous, because if I have a mouse then I'll just rush on without explaining. So I can actually go over this once more. So this means that if the command so /message no matter how you type message with like the characters, it will then check if the argument is less or equal to 1. If it is, then it will send the player message saying wrong usage, used like this. I'm sorry if that's like a little bit wrong usage, used like this, and then message player name message. And then if not, so if it's 2 or higher, it will first get the target player, check if he's online or if it's actually is a player. Then if he's not online or is not a player, then it will send the player a message saying the player, then their name, is not online. And if it is online, if it finds a player, then it will make a string that's named message, and then it will get our arguments, put them into a message, into the string, and then it will send the message to the player and the target. So yeah, let's go into the server, because I think it's open. Yes, it's up now. So just wait for it to log in. Okay, there we go. So let's just wait for this. It's actually lagging very much. No. Okay, there you go. So type /message, wrong user message, the Broman, wrong use like this, player message, and actually, yeah, message hello not working. Hello there. The player hello is not online, but if you change this to the broman and then how are you, and there you go. The broman to me, how are you? Me to the broman, how are you? So that's basically how you make a simple private messaging plugin. You can also change this from message to PM, but then you also have to change it in the plugin YML as well. Plugin.yml, because you needed to. If you don't have the command typed out here, then it will not register it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and favorite. Why do I keep saying favorite? I said that for so many years now without it being able to favorite anymore, I think. And check out my Patreon. All the links used for this episode will be in the description, but I didn't use any links. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode.